Hello friends, once again you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to explore a new tool for a plagiarism remover. And actually plagiarism is basically everybody knows. Plagiarism means if you take the text of somebody else without giving them a good reference. Means without quoting them in a reference, you taking the somebody's else work, that is comes under plagiarism. And it is very one of the biggest threat in academics. So many times some people ask me why you are telling these kind of things to the these kind of stuffs to the research scholars. Actually, when I was a research scholar, and at the time no such kind of tools are available. But now, since these tools are available, and being a a research scholar, everybody wants to remove a plagiarism from the text, particularly from the introduction part, where they use they quote somebody else's work in their own task. So plagiarism is and it is very boring task for everybody to remove the plagiarism from that introductory part. And from the literature review particularly. So I came across these kind of tools available on the market. So, and not only this tool can be used for the research, writing a research paper or a thesis, but also this can be used to to for a website content writing. And many of the content writers, they are using these kind of tools for writing a content quickly, and the plagiarism free or unique. So without wasting time, let us start this video and we'll see how this particular tool work. So okay, so this tool is basically, if you write a plagiarism remover on a Google, you can find this tool at the top, plagiarism remover. It is a AI based free plagiarism remover tool, as shown here. When you clicked it, you will have this kind of web page comes across, where the plagiarism remover, it is now version 2, and it is an artificial based plagiarism remover tool. So and one important thing about this website is there is no ad, no captcha, no waiting time, and you can use 10,000 word limit at a time. So, and how it works, basically 10,000, for doing the 10,000 words, you have to pay, I think, something to 200 rupees. But I think for a free version, there, yeah, paste your content, maximum word limit is 6,000. If you paste a word limit of 6,000, I think it do it free. I use it first time, and I'm using it first time, and I think this is one of the good to web tool. So let's take a some content from the artificial some website. And okay, first of all, I pasted it on my Word document, so that at the later end we will check whether the how how much paraphrasing or the thing get changed, the sentence get changed. And I pasted the same sentence in here. Once I pasted it here, you see there is a I am a robot captcha kind of thing is there. And once you clicked it, and after that, note, plagiarism remover for the Google AdSense approval tool is now available. Okay, maybe some Google AdSense tool is also available. So when I click the remove plagiarism, okay, and see how it works. It shows artificial intelligence based plagiarism remover tool, and the result, your unique content is here, and your content is under process. Okay, they will take some time, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, some countdown is going on. So after that, I think the unplagiarized to content will we will get. Yeah, okay, let me copy it again from here, and let us compare these two contents. This was the uh, okay, the first one is I'm putting it in red because this is a plagiarized content, and another one I'm putting it in green, since it is since it is unplagiarized text. So let's see the difference between these two. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the imitation of human intelligence in machine designed to think, right? So you see, the text is now, get changed, and this is probably plagiarism free. Okay. And one very important thing about their website, I got it, like they have a mentioning about what is paraphrasing, what is plagiarism, how does a paraphrasing tool works, and what is the solution. So what solution they are using? We have a solution for this problem. Have a simple changes in your copied style. First you copy content any website, then paste the copied content in my website, then click the green button, that is remove plagiarism. Okay, this shows the process, how they do it. Redirect to your new page. Okay. Now how does a plagiarism remover tools work? Okay, this is very interesting, because nobody in on your website they mentioned it. This is exclusively I saw here. I won't totally explain you, but in the simple way, our website changes the incorrect spellings, okay, in your content and correct that. Also, website changes grammatical mistakes, okay, and create content unique. Okay, means two things on which it is working. One is grammatical mistakes, another is your spelling if you have done something wrong. And the special type of algorithm, they are not mentioning their algorithm that checks the contents are in the Google or not. Okay, they just check it on the Google, whether they find it on the Google, and not in just a second, and give you a unique content. Okay, right? So this how it works. I think everybody understand. So overall this website is good, what I found, and you can use this in writing your introduction part, or somewhere where you want to remove your plagiarism. But I'll advise you, do not use these plagiarism kind of tools, plagiarism remover kind of tools, while writing your result, and while writing your abstract, because abstract and result, they must be unique, totally unique, and it must be yours, because you understand your research well rather than else. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe my channel also. I will come back soon with some more innovative videos like this. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.